To a story now which has left a Clarendon community in shock. A family dispute between an uncle and his nephew turned deadly along the Paisley Main Road in the parish. Residents say the incident, which happened sometime after 12 o'clock, could have been avoided.
In recent times, concerns have been growing about the number of murders stemming from family disputes. On Tuesday, a 63-year-old man from a Chateau District Clarendon address became the latest victim. The deceased, Morris Swaby, otherwise called Fuzzy, was stabbed to death by his 22-year-old nephew. In a strange twist, residents told their news team that the accused was acting in self-defense after he was attacked by his uncle, who accused him of stealing property belonging to him.
Him claims that nephew going in house go take out the radio. You see me? Yeah man, me even tell him say watch you know no. You have proof of that. And him say yo, him not really have no proof because him never see you or people tell him. So me say watch you know no, better you go to station and go tell the police them that. You see me? If the fan say I go kill you when you see him. And I tell me say you that thief.
And that he did. Residents say the deceased approached his nephew with a sharp object.
After I look you go over there, you see me? The youth have stone and use them off and he run in and he stone them, you see me? And he stone them and fling it. He get all one and stone them. He give you 2 more stab, you see me? You see after he give you the 2 stab, you would hold him and start wrestling, then chop a ground. So then chop a ground, you would get to a wrench on him. And I ask him to ease up after that. And me need to ease up neither. Because if you stab me up, I may get a wrench and get a wave, if you get to your back, I will get to your back. What's the youth a bleed? You see me? You would give him a wrench.
He ended up dead in a lane across from a hardware store along the Paisley Main Road. On why the residents didn't intervene.
We can't go in there because you have a knife. We don't want to do nothing.
Yeah.
And if you go wall, couldn't you know? Maybe you couldn't way.
It's understood the accused is in hospital in stable condition. The residents say the incident is unfortunate and are hoping for leniency on the part of the injured nephew. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.